The Jones Media Center is a place where we enable people to create with digital tools. We often like to say that the Jones Media Center is where the cool stuff happens. It's the place where we really enable anyone on campus, whether they're faculty, student, or staff, to create new things using a variety of digital hardware and software tools.
Working with students in Jones Media Center is probably the highlight of my job. I love it. I find that when students spend more time here and they're working on their media projects, that they ask a lot of really good questions, and the questions get better the more time that they spend here.
I think many students are surprised when they actually ask questions and discover that we have so much more to offer, from all of our equipment to the software and services that we have and the staff expertise that's available to help them out.
Our goal is for people to be successful and to feel comfortable with media.